the traffic police are trying to block us because of the opening concert tonight, but the driver told us that told the police that we need to get off from this bus. So we might be the final bus entering the newly opened Gwanghwamun Square. So this is your first look at the newly opened Gwanghwamun Square. We'll be walking along the new square later. Oh, pinapababa na kami dito. We'll be getting off at this spot because we can't go there. Alright, our tour of the new Gwanghwamun Square begins here with all these people. I wonder where the concert will be done. Oh, there's a stage. And we have the attorney Woo Young-woo Whale. Extraordinary Attorney Woo. Let's go. So first order of business for me is food. I haven't had any food today, so I am so craving for some fresh whale tuna. Oh, I remember taking my parents in this park before. It's also a summer season, so they have some photos here. They have some flowers here before. Look at the wave of people. So they removed the water here. There used to be water here, and they just made it all concrete, so napakainit dito in the daytime. Actually now it's 6 p.m. at init na init ang ating mga staff. Paypay. There's a drone flying. Hello drone, kawai. It's the kid saying hi to the drone. The lady behind me, there's no space for sitting, but there's a lot of chairs. Hello drone. I'm making a finger heart. And the police is checking the drone owner's permit. Especially in Seoul, you need to have permits when you fly a drone. Now this is a new exhibition place. I believe when they were renovating this area, they found some relics from the Joseon period. So they preserved it, and now it's open for everyone to see. So this is the site of the Sahonbu Gate. It was excavated last October 2020 to June 2021. They discovered this drainage system. It's a drainage system. We got other vloggers or media. This is King Sejong, inventor of the Hangul language. And the concert will be held here. This is the backstage. So it's between King Sejong's statue and Admiral Lee Sun-shin's statue. And look at the people waiting for the show because there are some K-pop artists also performing. This is the Sejong Art Center. This is the main stage. So there will be an orchestra and K-pop. This is the VIP seats. And these are all the people waiting for the show.
네, 여기 센터 여기 잡겠습니다. 감독님 손 한번 흔들어.
내가 만일 나의 목전에서 가증한 것을 버리고 네가 흔들리지 아니하며
It's an ongoing rally.
공의로 여호와의 삶을 두고 맹세하며
Tourists.
나들이 나로 말미암아 스스로 복을 빌며 나로 말미암아 자랑하리라. 여호와께서
그리고 서울 상징하는 노래도
Kyoba building. KT building.
공간 역시 마찬가지죠. 자, 그러면 광장 조성 사업의 경과와 시민 소통.
And of course, the opening event is being covered by media.
너희에게 평강이 있으리라 하시더니
됐나요?
칼이
주신 분 감사합니다.
예루살렘에 전할 자가 있어서 그것의 사령도
So we got more water here, fountain to cool down. Let's go walk under. Oh! More water. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, I see. So who needs to go to the swimming pools? We've got resting areas and more fountain here below Admiral Lee Sun-shin's statue. So fans of K-drama, you'll remember this. This is where Lee Min-ho's caballo or horse walked down in the pilot of, was it The King? I forgot the title. You get the chairs. Photographers.
유명한 말이에요.
Shout out to my friends in Okpo. Please follow Pinoy in Kimchiland, our Samchon in Okpo. Oh, he no longer lives in Okpo, in Kojedo, South Korea. Oh, I miss Tongyong. This is the turtle battleship designed by Admiral Lee Sun-shin. And now the movie Hansan from the Battle of Hansan-do is showing in South Korea. It is currently breaking box office records. This is also the sequel of the movie Roaring Currents or Myeongryang. Adults are also playing. So this is Myeongryang, the first movie